Meaning of greenness.
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 Greenness. Greenness refers to the state or quality of being green. In environmental terms, it often pertains to the level of sustainability and eco-friendliness of a product, service, or practice. A green product or service is one that has been designed and manufactured with minimal impact on the environment. The concept of greenness is becoming increasingly important in today's society as people become more aware of the environmentally destructive impact of human activity. Embracing greenness can lead to a more sustainable and livable future, ensuring that the planet and its resources are protected for generations to come.